Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a video. Today I am going to be going out to the shop with my grandpa. He's pulling the 383 stroker out of the Chevy. So I figured, why not make a video? Let's go. Yeah, there you go. Goodness gracious. Yeah, really got effed up there pretty bad.
Yeah.
And then shoot up.
That line, yeah.
That line.
And the other one on the other side.
Other side is worse. Other side's way worse. Rotors are good.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every
Alright guys, I know that wasn't a lot for a video, but stay tuned for more. We're going to be pressure washing the truck, and then we'll be updating you when it comes back with the new engine, huh?
Well, the engine's going by itself, and this ain't going to the...
No, I know, but we're going to update them.
We're going to update
when it comes back.
Update the suspension, and we're getting 500 horse out of this motor.
There you go. There you have it. We shall see. See how that goes. Stay tuned for more and make sure to subscribe. Bye.